law means to facilitate the citizens, but here in immigration law it rejects the rights of the migrants.
I mean, dealing with immigration paper is something that I really don't want anybody to experience. It's the most humiliating process that is happening in Europe.
Continuously they are changing the laws. Today is one law, tomorrow is another law, day after tomorrow is different law. So the law of Italy is not stable.
What kind of the law at the moment? You should have to demonstrate 3 years, and for immigrants it's such a very difficult to move and take these documents in 3 years in different cities, different places.
Bon, actuellement, la loi qui est passée hier, je l'ai lu au Sénat, la loi CESEDA sur l'immigration de Sarkozy, c'est le 38e loi depuis 1945. Donc ça veut dire que les immigrés sont montrés du doigt. Tous les 1 an et demi, on vote une loi pour nous. Alors qu'il y a des secteurs où depuis comment dirais-je, la Deuxième Guerre mondiale jusqu'à présent, il n'y a rien.
The situation is the government don't want to give the papers.
If I'm making all the papers that I'm supposed to make, if you tell me after 2 weeks my papers should be ready, so after 2 weeks my papers should be ready. And I don't need to go to line up in the street under the sun. I don't need to go at 5 in the morning. You have to provide enough employees. It's your responsibility as a government to facilitate these bureaucracy papers.
I just felt like I was running around, and the people weren't laughing at me, but still you get the feeling that someone's sitting there going, we set up a good maze, we let them run around a bit. And so I finally, I get really pissed off at these stupid, where they don't tell you everything. Like if the tax department said, yes, but you need this letter from your work to give to us so that you can sign in there. But they didn't say that. They said, no, you have to get that, your social security number from the city that you live in.
And they gave us the Chinese information. They even don't know what is the difference between Japan and China.
So then I had to get some sort of proof that I was going to work. So then I went back to the original work person, and then they gave me a piece of paper. So I went back to the city of Utrecht. They sent me then back to the taxation department to register with them that I was going to work, and then to go back to the city of Utrecht, the city hall, to get the number to go back to the tax department, to then go back to my work.
I asked them to check is it correct or not, but they say, I don't know. We can't check it. You have to do it yourself.
So after about 3 weeks, I could start working again, because then it takes a week here to get this, and then it takes a week there, and then there was a vacation, and I just felt like I was running around, and the people weren't laughing at me, but still you get the feeling that someone's sitting there going, we set up a good maze, we let them run around a bit. And